Okay, for grammar and pop, we're going to go back to this page in our notebook titled Compound Sentences. Go ahead and find this page in your notebook. Let me see if I can minimize my screen. There we go. Okay, compound sentences. We talked about this a couple weeks ago, and we have this chart in our notebook that I did remind you we will be completing together. So you should already have and but, the definitions. And joins two related sentences together, but joins two contrasting sentences together. Today, we're going to write down the definitions for using or so. When you use or in a compound sentence, it joins two sentences that present a choice. A choice. Am I going to wear sneakers or sandals? Using the conjunction so means you are joining two sentences that have a cause and effect. Because I overslept, or we can do I overslept today, so I missed the bus. That's a cause and effect. Go ahead and pause the video and write down these two definitions. Okay, now we are at the mentor sentence. I want you to go ahead and write this mentor sentence right here. I can buy myself new shoes, comma, or I can save my money for the new Xbox game. Remember, you put a box around the conjunction. You need to code your subject, your verb, 2 lines for the predicate, circle your comma, subject, verb, 2 lines for the predicate, and circle your punctuation. You are also going to write the second sentence that's using the next conjunction. I didn't pass my science test, so my parents grounded me. You're going to write that sentence on your own. Go ahead and pause the video and copy down the 2 sentences on the screen, on the slide. I coded the first one, which is here. You are writing and coding the second one on your own. Now that you're done copying the mentor sentence, turn to a clean page and title it Combined Sentences and Ideas. I want you to number your paper 1 to 6 and skip 2 lines in between each number. So let's go ahead and number our paper and skip 2 lines between each number. Skip 2 lines. Okay, your paper should look something like this. Now what you're going to do is look on the screen on the slide. The directions say to suggest how to rewrite each of the following sentences to form a compound sentence. So I'm going to do number 1 with you, and you are coding as well. Number 1 says, we may visit a national park. We may explore a desert area. So looking back at our notes, is that a choice or is it cause and effect? Okay, is that a choice or cause and effect? I think it's a choice, so we need to use the conjunction or. So when we're writing the new sentence for number 1, we're going to write, we may visit a national park, or we may explore a desert area. Let's go ahead and write that in our notebook. Pause the video. Okay, remember when you are writing your sentence, combining both sentences using a conjunction, you need to code the subject, the verb, the predicate, circle the comma, put a box around the conjunction, circle the period. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this in slideshow mode, pause it here, and you are doing the next 5 sentences on your own. We did number 1 together.